The Web Scraper Chrome extension is a user-friendly tool for extracting data from websites without needing coding skills. Here's how you can use it. Install the extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Web Scraper. Click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Open the website. Once installed, open the web page from which you want to scrape data. Create a sitemap. Click the Web Scraper icon in your browser and select Create New Sitemap. Enter the URL of the page you want to scrape and give the sitemap a name. Define selectors. In the sitemap, click Add New Selector. A selector is a CSS selector that specifies which elements to extract. For example, you can select titles, links or images by clicking on them. The tool will automatically detect these elements and highlight them. Scrape the data. Once your selectors are set, click Start Scraping. The extension will begin to collect the data. You can view the scraped data in the Data tab or export it to CSV or JSON. Download the data. After scraping, click Export Data to save the results in CSV or JSON format.